sun will rise long after I've given up on sleeping. Can almost hear the wind outside, as loud as my heart is beating. The house is quiet, my busy mind wonders what I'm missing.
Si Gabriel, makulit siya pag kami lang. Gusto niya lagi siyang hinaharot. Ano po? Wala na masabi.
I take my heels into this dirt I love. I know that all I have is more than enough. These are the best days of my life. I'm right where I belong. Tall trees line these rolling hills. I've driven by for
Ubanawa sila ng banal na Espiritu upang sila'y mapuspos ng diwa ng muling pagkabuhay ng iyong anak. Ito'y aming hinihiling sa ngalan ni Jesucristo ang aming Panginoon.
heels into this dirt I love. I know that all I have is more than enough. These are the best days of my life.
Mga kapatid, tayo nang lumapit sa Diyos upang magiliw niyang kalingain ang mga batang bibinyagan, gayon din ang kanilang mga magulang.
Where I belong. I'm right where I belong. When tomorrow comes, I know there's nothing I'll be waiting for.
Palakpakan natin ang mga bagong Kristiyano. Salamat sa Diyos.
Is more than enough. This is the life that I've been dreaming of. I'm right where I belong. Oh, yeah. I'm right where I belong.
Happy christening, Baby Gabriel. Si Baby, 4 years namin siya hinintay.
Tapos araw-araw kami nagdadasal para kay Baby hanggang sa maisilang, hanggang sa paglabas, hanggang sa araw-araw hanggang ngayon.
Kaya Gabriel yung name niya kasi dahil doon kay Mama Mary na si Archangel Gabriel, Saint Gabriel.
Messenger of God.
Messenger of God. Siya yung kumausap kay Mama Mary na para na mabubuntis siya. That's why na Gabriel yung pinangalan namin. Kasi nga, hirap ako magbuntis.
It's gonna be okay.
Happy birthday, God! Happy birthday, God!
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I can't wait for the sun to bring a shining day. It's gonna be okay. Out of gas and running late. Forgot to pay the rent on time. Had all these dreams when I woke up today, but they already slipped my mind. My head spins like a carousel. Times like these, I tell myself it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I might get stuck. Happy birthday, bye. Happy birthday, God. It's gonna be okay. I can't wait for the sun to bring a shining day. It's gonna be
Si
okay.
Baby Gabriel sana lumaking masunurin sa Diyos, masunurin sa magulang, mabait. At yun lang, magdasal araw-araw.
Yun.
At maging healthy lang.
Like,
At masaya.
Yun, lagi namin prepare talaga na yung healthy siya lagi, maging masiyahin, mabait na bata, saka gagawin namin lahat para maging mapaganda yung future niya. Sobrang emotional ko pagdating kay Baby kasi sobra talagang hirap ng pagbubuntis ko sa kanya. Happy birthday, Gabriel.
We love you.
you.